Do you know someone who's been detained by ICE and is being held in Okmulgee, Oklahoma? What's next for them? My name's Ted Hasse. I'm an attorney at Wirth Law office answering immigration questions. We can be reached at 918-932-2800. Happy to answer your questions. We get a lot of calls from people who are being held in the Okmulgee ICE detention. I've talked about this before. I'll bring it up again. People are finding it's very difficult to get information out of that facility by phone. We try to make it as easy as possible to get that information by actually going down there in person and talking to your loved one, friend, whoever is being detained there. What you can expect, it really depends on their specific circumstances, but frequently if they're being detained and potentially are going to face a deportation hearing, they can get bonded out. Bonds are typically a minimum of $1,500 that can get them into a position where they can come out and then return for immigration court. What's happening for them right now? What's it look like for them? Well, the Okmulgee location is serving a whole wide geographic area, including having folks brought from Texas, in fact. Even though Texas has their own detention facilities, we're seeing people even coming from Dallas, maybe being picked up by ICE following a criminal arrest. They get held. They get then they may bond out on whatever charge they're facing locally, and then they get picked up by ICE. They get brought to Okmulgee, Oklahoma. They may never have been to Oklahoma. In any case, what they're facing in Okmulgee is they're in an ordinary county jail. It's the Okmulgee County Jail. ICE is paying the county for 250 spaces, 250 beds for detention. What they're experiencing is they're sometimes with other prisoners. They can expect every day to typically, they may have visiting hours. I understand, especially if they're being brought there from another location, another state, long distance, it's often difficult for family members, loved ones, friends to go visit them. They've got several head counts throughout the day. It's not a great situation. It's typical restrictive, criminal lockup. It's a jail. Again, we would love to help you if you find that you have someone in this situation that needs some help. Give us a call, 918-932-2800. My name, again, is Ted Hasse.